When you're working across global markets, getting the messaging right on your packaging and labeling is critical. You need precise, compliant, and consistent content in every language. So throughout the artwork creation process, you collate information from a vast range of disparate sources, hundreds of translations, and thousands of documents, time-consuming reviews. Done manually, it leads to duplication. It also leaves room for human error. No one can afford the risk of mistakes in labeling or product recalls. So what can you do to ensure precision and reduce duplication without increasing your costs or diverting excessive staff time? You need to use the latest technology. You need to be able to make changes quickly and to be able to understand the impact of those changes. You need complete traceability across the artwork creation and approval process, and a solution that works globally too. The more markets you're in, the more critical it is that the whole process is managed consistently across boundaries. You need Kallik. Our solution streamlines labeling content collation and management, then seamlessly applies this into artwork creation, across companies, across countries. Our approach is systematic, transparent, reliable, and fast. All activity and content is stored and managed centrally. A single source accessible via a secure web portal. So even if key members of the team are based elsewhere or work for external agencies, everyone can collate and share approved data. Our integral phrase manager keeps you in charge of structured content. Translations only need to be done once and can be used across all of your printed elements. It means more consistency and less complexity and duplication. Take regulatory changes, for example. Our Where Used function finds all the related artwork files that need updating. Any authorized user can then draw on the latest compliant content. The system creates a change request project and reaches out to local markets and translators for each of the related languages and prompts them to translate content. Content is approved and the system recalls technical details about each format. It then generates each artwork file, ensuring absolute accuracy and adherence to local requirements. Using Kallik's library of rules, formats and formulas, print-ready artwork can be generated in seconds. Now every reviewer is just one click away from approving files or requesting revisions using a collaborative platform that can be accessed via any browser. With Kallik, everything is centralized, connected and simplified. Work that once took weeks can now take minutes, reducing costs, reducing the risk of error, and giving you total confidence in the end results. For a smarter, simpler way to manage messaging on global packaging and labeling, count on Kallik.